Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss an important email, enabling pop-up notifications in your Gmail app is a must. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on pop-up notifications, so every new message gets your immediate attention, right on your screen. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to receive notifications. Next, look up to the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options. Now scroll down through the menu until you see Settings. Tap on it to open your Gmail settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Tap on the email account where you want to enable pop-up notifications. Once you're inside your account settings, look for the option labeled Manage Notifications. Tap on it to open the notification controls for your Gmail account. Within the notification settings, find the toggle that says Show as Pop-up. Switch this toggle on. This setting ensures that every time you receive a new email, a pop-up notification will appear on your screen, even if you're using another app or your phone is locked. That's it. With these simple steps, you've enabled pop-up notifications for your Gmail app. Now, you'll be instantly alerted whenever a new email arrives, so you can stay on top of your messages without having to constantly check your inbox. If you ever want to change your notification preferences, just follow these steps again and adjust the settings as needed. Staying connected and responsive has never been easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to get the most out of your Gmail app. Have a great day and enjoy your more connected inbox.